And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this wireless charging station. As you can see, this will work with your phone, it'll work with wireless charging buds, and it will work with an Apple Watch. Nothing to really show you around the box. You can see the packing list as well as some of the output. So for the phone, you get a 15 watt max of wireless charging. For the headphones, you get a 5 watt max of wireless charging. And for the iWatch, you get a 3.5 watt max of wireless charging. So let's open this up, see what we have here. Nice. So that's it for the box. So they included a nice power adapter here. Then they include a USB-C to USB-A cable here to plug in. And then the actual device. So your AirPods are able to sit down here and wirelessly charge. Your Apple Watch is able to sit right here and wirelessly charge. And your phone is able to, of course, sit right here and wirelessly charge. Also include nice little instruction booklet that'll give you more details than I will in this demonstration. Let's open up our cable, and it's about 2 or 3 feet long. Plug it into our power brick here, plug this into power, and then this plugs right into the back here on the device, like so. And so then all you have to do, take your iPhone, put your iPhone on, it begins to charge. Nice. Take your Apple Watch and put your Apple Watch on, and it'll begin to charge. And then take a pair of AirPods, put them on the bottom, and they begin to charge. And so there you go. Very easy to just pop on all your devices at night so that they all wirelessly charge through one cable. You can see the flashing light there on the AirPods, and the watch is dead, but it's getting charge as well. You can see the little charging indicator there. So that will essentially do it for this wireless charging station. Thanks again to this company. It was nice enough to send this to me, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.